I'm scared. Okay. Oh my god.
Now, girl, I know that you did not just smear blue glitter on your lips. And how did I manage to look good? That's some witchcraft. And now I want that, you know. Here I have the glitter. Is this gonna look good on my lips, though? We will find out right now. But first, some dry shampoo. Wash your hair sometimes, Jesus. I'm also gonna need that eyeliner, ma'am. So I'm just gonna... This line is straighter than half of y'all on this app. I present to you the wing. Are they twins? Are they sisters? Are they even related? Now we gotta do the, you know, that. Period. I'm pleased with the situation. These lashes, they're giving. And just some freckles because it's an obsession at this point. This dark purple lipstick going, but something's telling me to use this. Black never disappoints me, unlike other things in life. I should do this more often. Now I have these three, and I can decide between the purple and the blue. I think it's gonna be the blue. Okay, turquoise, don't attack me. Okay, let's see how this looks. To be fair, like this, it looks really, really pretty. Okay, we're gonna pick up some of it with a brush and... It's a little bit more green than I would like it to be. But I like it. Let me finish this up. I am finally done. My final conclusion would be that I like it. It looks pretty badass. The transition videos I'm gonna do with this, definitely stay tuned for that. But what do you think?